Amrita Madhwani back again with a new video, and this time I hope you might have read by the title, it's going to be skincare routine. Guys, I was just finding the right time for a skincare routine, and today is the right time because I'm feeling my skin and I have tried this routine from quite a long time and I would love to share it with you. Okay, so guys, before choosing any skincare product, know your skin type. Like for me, I am oily at times, I'm combination, but most importantly, I am acne prone. Since the last 2 years, I'm facing bad skin condition. I've tried everything and nothing has helped me, but finally I found a proper skin regime that I follow, and I'm just bring this out to you. If it will help you, it will mean a lot. Okay, so the main confusion comes, what is my skin type? A lot of people ask me, what is my skin type? How to choose your skin type? How do you know your skin type? What is your skin type? So I'm gonna answer it in a very easiest way while you wake up, because morning is the best time to know your skin type. So while you wake up, put your finger around your nose, not your nose, around your nose, and if it oils, that means you're oily. Just from the T-zone, if you wake up and your whole face is shining, that means you're oily skin type. If your T-zone is oily, that means you're combination skin type, and if no oil, that means you're dry skin type. I hope I summed up all in a very easiest manner. Also, I'm just going to share you my pictures when I had bad acne. This was 2 years ago. This was a year ago. And the skin that I'll be showing you after I go away while I apply everything on my skin, that is my skin at the moment. Biggest mistake I did following skincare regime before, because nobody told me back then, was changing products frequently and not trying it for at least a month, because I used to try one moisturizer today and after 1 week I'll be trying another moisturizer, which is so wrong, because you need time with one product. It takes time to settle. Like in your hair, you got your color done, you will not like the color for first 2 days, but once it sets on your face, on your personality, you love it, right? So that is how skin works too. Skin takes time. Suiting a product takes time, definitely. So the first mistake, which is definitely a biggest mistake I did, was changing products frequently. And finally I found a skin regime for my skin, which I kept going for a really long time. And if you want to know about it, let's go. One ingredient that I want to talk about the most, and which is really important, is green tea. Guys, green tea was a life changer for me. Why? जैसे आप मेरे वीडियो पर आए हो, maybe you might have searched pimples के ऊपर videos, pimples के ऊपर skin cares, or just skincare routine, hence you're in my video. Thank you for clicking to my video. So just like that, मैंने भी काफ़ी रिसर्च करी थी अपनी स्किन केयर के लिए, अपना स्किन टाइप पहचानने के लिए, या मैंने बहुत सारी स्किन केयर रूटीन सर्च करी थी when I had a bad skin condition. So I came across this particular product, which is green tea. बहुत लोग like the ones who were facing pimple and were sharing their skincare regime, मैंने देखा कि बहुत सारे green tea वाले products बहुत ज़्यादा use करते हैं. Why? Then I searched a lot about green tea, like in green tea में इतना खास क्या है. So I got to know that green tea has anti-inflammatory properties, which really helps in acne. Hence, it really intrigued me to buy products which has green tea into it. Okay, so the video from now is the real-time application of my skincare routine. So it will be step-wise, like what I use step 1, what I use in step 2, step 3 till step 5. So let's continue. Okay, so the first step is always cleansing. By cleansing, I meant face wash. Why cleansing is necessary before applying anything is because you came from outside, pollution hoga bahar, or even if you are staying indoors, to remove all the dirt and impurities and oils, face wash is always step 1. So for cleansing, I use Plum's Pore Cleansing Green Tea Face Wash. I use this twice a day, one when I wake up and second when I come from the studio. I get tired and this is just so refreshing, and it cleanses your skin deep inside. Like Okay, so the second product is magic. Why? Because by us I mean acne prone skin type people really have less options or no options for scrubs, but I found a new baby for you. It's Plum's new Gentle Revival Green Tea Scrub. The texture of this scrub is gel based, which is really good for oily skin type. Also, it has gentle beads, which works into your oily and sensitive skin in a really great way. Also, it really helped me in removing my whiteheads, and my skin feels baby smooth after this. So the third step in my skincare routine is applying a mask after scrubbing. Whenever I scrub my face, as I told you, I only scrub my face once a week. So I apply this mask only once a week after scrubbing. Also, it says to keep the mask on for 20 to 25 minutes. For me personally, it dries out quickly on me, so I only keep it for 5 minutes and I'm good to go. Okay, so the fourth step, that is our second last step in our skincare routine, is toner. Guys, I never used to take toner seriously, but since the lockdown, I really had this thought in my mind, I'm gonna take care of my skin during this lockdown. So now that I have time, I'll be taking care of my skin. So I found out about this toner during lockdown, and ever since I cannot stop using this. Okay, so one tip for makeup lovers. So whenever I film tutorials for y'all, I always use toner after cleansing my face. So once I'm done with the face wash, I always use this toner before applying any base product on my face, just to make my big looking pores minimize. You can also take a cotton pad to apply the toner. I personally like to use my palms because I really like to get my skincare deep into my skin. Hence, I always use my palm for the toner. Okay, so last and the most important step is moisturizer to lock in everything. It's Plum's Green Tea Night Gel. Guys, always go for gel based or water based moisturizers if you're having acne prone skin, oily skin, or a combination skin, because water based and gel based moisturizer does wonders to your skin, leaves it really hydrated and does not feel sticky at all. Sticky, oily, it doesn't feel like that because it mattifies your skin really nicely. I always use my fingers in an upward direction to get all the moisturizer into my skin. Also, this particular upward movement really helps in lifting your skin, and this direction also helps you in early aging. I mean, not aging early or faster. So that was it about my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any queries related to your skin, just drop in your questions in comments. I'll be happy to help you. And you are beautiful with all the acne on and whatever skin condition you're facing, because we all are dealing with the same or have dealt in our life in past or will be facing in future. So you are beautiful no matter what. No matter what, I love you with whatever skin condition you are having at the moment. It is normal and we all have dealt with it. So stay positive. I love you so much. I'll meet you in my next video. Take care.